Okay, good morning, dear student. Today we will solve a question of green function. The question is find the green function of boundary value problem y double dash equal to 0, and this is the boundary condition y 0 equal to 0 and yl equal to 0. Okay, we have the boundary 0 to l. In this case, first we will solve the problem. This problem. This is the d square y upon dx square equal to 0. This is the differential equation of second order and first degree. And the solution of this differential equation is dy upon dx equal to when we integrate this both sides, then it is equal to constant. And after solving this, y equal to, suppose that this constant is a, ax plus b. This is the solution of this differential equation. After applying the boundary condition for this differential equation, this is, suppose that this is equation number 1. First condition is y0 equal to 0. It's mean when we apply y0 equal to 0, then 0 equal to, this is 0 a into 0 plus b, and this is equation equal to b equal to 0. Similarly, when we apply yl equal to 0, then this is yl equal to 0, and 0 equal to, this is 0 equal to a into l plus b, and this is implies, we know that b equal to 0, then al equal to 0, and this is implies a equal to 0. Both the constant are 0. It means the equation, the value of, when we are putting the value of a and b in this a equal to 0, a equal to 0, when you putting the value of a and b in this equation, then the solution, total solution of this differential equation is y equal to 0. This is the solution of y equal to 0, or it means yx equal to 0 is the solution of differential equation. This solution is the trivial solution. It's mean we can apply the green function for finding the integral equation of this this differential equation. Uh, okay, this is the trivial solution of this equation. The green function, the solution of this differential equation is trivial, y0 equal to this. So we can consider the green function. This is the green function g of x comma t equal to a1 x plus a2 and b1 x plus b2, and this green function with a boundary condition x greater than equal to 0 and less than t, and x greater than equal to t and less than equal to l. For this, we know that for finding the green function, of a boundary value problem, we have the basically three conditions. First condition, the green function must be continuous at x equal to t. It's mean at x equal to t, this green function is continuous. That is the at x equal to t, the left hand limit this, and at x equal to t, the right hand limit this is both are equal. Then it is equal to a1t plus a2 equal to b1t plus b2. Okay, and we can write this a1 minus b1 and t, a1 minus b1 and t plus a2 minus b2 equal to 0. Okay, suppose that this is equation number 2, right? And the second condition is the differential, the right hand differentiation and the left hand differentiation, between the difference between these differentiation equal to minus 1 upon p naught t, where p naught t is the coefficient of the highest order derivative of the differential equation. It's mean the coefficient of this is 1. At the place of p naught t we can write 1, and this is the differentiation of t plus 0, the differentiation of this, and t minus 0 differentiation of this. Now it's mean we can write it t plus 0, the differentiation of this part is b1, okay, and minus differentiation of this part is a1, okay, and it is equal to minus 1 upon p naught t. P naught t equal to the value of p naught t, coefficient of this is 1, the value of p naught t is 1, it is equal to minus 1. Okay, this is equation number 3. Equation number 3. Third is g of x comma t satisfy the boundary condition. It's mean we have two boundary condition. One is the y0 equal to yl equal to 0. It's mean at the place of x we can put 0, and second time we can put l. So we have two boundary condition for this. One is the g of 0 comma t other is z of L comma t. Okay, for this, this is equal to 0 and other this is equal to 0. We have two boundary condition for this. Okay, we have two boundary condition for this. One is the g of 0 comma t equal to 0. It's mean the between the 0 comma t we can apply this boundary condition, and this is equal to a1 into 0. At the place of t we can, at the place of x we can put 0, and this is equal to a2 and this value is 0. It's mean the value of a2 equal to 0, right? And second is g of second value is z of we have the second condition is z of L comma t equal to 0. It's mean we can apply L and t. This is the at the place of b1 b1 L plus b2 equal to 0. This is equation number 4, and this is equation number 5. With the help of 2, 3, 4 and 5 you can find the value of a1 a2 b1 b2, and from this equation from equation number 3, from equation number 3, this is equation number 3, we can find the value of b1 because the value of from equation number 2, from equation number 2, this is equation number 2. When we put a2 at the place of a2, this is 0. Then equation number 2 convert a1 minus b1 and t plus this is a2 equal to 0. So this value is minus b2 and it is equal to 0. And we know that from equation of b1 minus b2 equal to minus 1, it's mean a1 minus b1 equal to 1. At the place of this we can put 1. Then a1 minus b1 equal to 1. Then it is equal to t minus b2 equal to 0. It's mean the value of b2 equal to t. This is a second coefficient, second constant and coefficient. And the third condition is we have the value of a2 b2, and we can put the value of v2 from here, and we can find the value of b1 from this equation. Then this is applied in equation number 5. Then b1 L plus value of b2 is t equal to 0. It's mean the value of b1 equal to minus t upon L. This is the equation number, this is the value of b1. We have the value of b1, b2 and a2, and now we can find the value of a1 from equation number 3. From equation number 3, this is the equation number 3. b1 minus a1 equal to minus 1. This is the minus of t upon L minus a1 equal to minus 1. It's mean we can write it a1 plus t upon L equal to 1. a1 equal to 1 minus t upon L. This is the value of a1. We can find, if we want to find the green function, we can put all the value of a1 a2 b1 b2 in this question. When we apply the value of a1 a2 b1 b2 in this green function, then at the place of a1 we can put this into x plus 0, and at the place of b1 we know the value of a2 is 0. b1 is minus t upon L into x plus b2 is t. This is the green function for this differential equation. This is the answer of this differential equation and green function of this differential equation. This is very important question. In our next question we will learn the next example, solution of next example for finding the green function. Okay, thank you.